What's up, guys? We are here at the Putangirua Pinnacles. The Putangirua Pinnacles was one of the filming locations in the third installment of the Lord of the Rings trilogy, The Return of the King. We actually learned quite a bit, about Lord of the Rings since we got here. Yeah, I can't even call myself... I feel like kind of like an imposter if I were to refer to myself as the world's worst Lord of the Rings person, because I'm not. We're here at Putangirua Pinnacles. This was the site of Dimholt Road. And even if you're not a Lord of the Rings fan, it's worth checking out. It's about a 45-minute hike. There are badland erosion rock formations, aka hoodoos. That's right, guys, we're gonna see more hoodoos. Last time we saw hoodoos, we were in Drumheller. This, see that? That's the hard rock. Hard rock layer, soft rock layer, erosion, hoodoo. And I lost my shit. I was pissing myself with glee because the hoodoos are awesome. Hoodoo! Because one, they have a cool name, and two, they're amazing. Rock erosion. So basically, if you don't know what a hoodoo is, elemental affects of the environment, such as floods, rain, wind, cause soft rock to erode, and the remaining hard rock concretizes, creating this array, a splendid array of hoodoo rock formations, which is what we're going to see. And it just so happens that those same rock formations were used in the Lord of the Rings movie. And actually, Peter Jackson was aware of the Putangirua Pinnacles before even doing Lord of the Rings. If you've seen his earlier movie, Brain Dead, there is a scene that they filmed in front of these very same pinnacles.
Mistake! Let it go, man. We set it down and we let it go! It's only a bloody monkey, for Christ's sake. Now, pack it up.
But yes, like I said, the Putangirua Pinnacles was used in the third Lord of the Rings movie, The Return of the King. Aragorn, Legolas, and Gimli took this road on their way to the Paths of the Dead, which was a passage under a mountain where the souls of the traitors and defectors were trapped. So in the movie, both the Dimholt Road and Paths of the Dead were very creepy. Hella creepy.
But when the time came, when Gondor's need was dire, they fled, vanishing into the darkness of the mountain.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's it. Let's go. Ling's sighing because she wants to go. So the round trip hike is about an hour and a half, and that's taking the track via the stream bed. If you want to go to the spot from the Lord of the Rings movie, then you want to take the stream bed, because that'll put you right in the middle on the ground level of the pinnacles. But there are alternate routes that go around the top. So if you want to get more of a, I guess, an aerial view, you can take the higher roads. But there are several options to get to the Putangirua Pinnacles. All right, we see here the stream bed, so we must be on the correct path. All right, Lee's gonna jump it. The floor is lava. Right, across the stream bed. Oh wait, there's a marker down there. Okay. So this is like hard difficulty. This is medium. Ling's going easy.
And don't judge me.
And if you fall, I will laugh. Because it's easy mode. I've just come across something more impressive than the pinnacles. This is the Pac-Man pinnacle. Abba, abba, abba. Out of all the Lord of the Rings locations that we've been to, this trek to the pinnacles is definitely the most demanding, excluding, of course, the Tongariro crossing. If you guys are checking out Mount Garahoe, aka Mount Doom, this one's pretty intense. We been moving along a stream bed, and now there's sort of an uphill bit right here. The terrain is gravelly and loose, so it's a bit more challenging. You never see rocks that look quite like this. Even the hoodoos in Drumheller, where they were more like mushroom, like penis shaped, these ones are more pointy. There was a warning when we came in here that this stuff is still eroding. There's still plenty of soft rock which is slowly eroding away, so just be careful of rocks slipping down. Speaking of penis-shaped hoodoos, we encountered a set of pinnacles right here. I don't know if this is just the beginning. There might be more. I hope there's more. Okay, it's just like how does something so phallic come into existence?
It's like veiny.
You can see the definition of it. Oh! There was a girl back there wearing heels.
Imagine trying to do this terrain in heels.
Yeah, imagine walking this, all of this, 45 minutes up an inclined riverbed in heels. Can't help but feel a little vulnerable being at the base here, knowing that this is all the product of erosion and soft rock. And what's to stop it from just crumbling right now? Can't help but feel vulnerable. I don't know if that's how Aragorn, who are the three ones again? Let me consult my notes, my Lord of the Rings notes. I don't know if that's how Aragorn, Legolas, and Gimli felt, but you do feel eerily small, and these are intimidatingly large structures on either side of you, just towering over you.
Who were the three again?
I already forgot. Gimli, Aragorn, and Legolas. Worth the 45-minute hike up. Definitely. And at least you could burn some calories at the same time.
Is this a dinosaur bone?
This isn't CG. Yeah, that could be a dinosaur. Maybe it's a penis bone. This is all practical. No CG. Mother trucker. So these hoodoos are formed based on the soft rock erosion, and just look at how soft we're talking here. Just with my bare hand, look at this. You can start chipping away at this rock. That's not very reassuring for something that's holding up something so massive. I'm like literally just running my fingers across the rock and it's coming apart. So you can imagine when it storms heavy or floods in here, just how much of this ends up coming off. So there you have it, folks. That was the Putangirua Pinnacles, aka Dimholt Road. Now, 45 minutes to get here. We've got it should be a shorter hike going back since it's downhill, at least 1/4 of the way. Absolutely beautiful scenery out here. I've never seen rock formations like this. These are hoodoos, but they look nothing like the Drumheller Badland hoodoos in Alberta. It is spectacular out here. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.